What's up, guys? We're out here in Sawtell and we're about to visit one of the most popular ramen places out here, I've heard. It's called MoguMogu, right outside. Let's do it. So Chi is a LA native here, and she eats all the ramen places in LA, and we're in Sawtell, Japantown. So she is the expert and is gonna tell us why she took me and the mukbang here to MoguMogu.
MoguMogu is one of my favorite spots to eat. Usually I like ramen with broth in it, but this is like one of my favorites to eat without broth. I just like the flavor. It's very rich in flavor. It has 2 eggs. It has chasu. It's mixed really well. It's just delicious. Everything you need. I've never had any noodles like this before. I think it's called Mazemen. I think it's a different type of noodle in Japan. And I've never had Mazemen before, so it's different, unique. And then the shishito pepper is one of my favorites too. It's shishito peppers. It's just regular shishito peppers. Salted with like...
What's shishito pepper?
It's just pepper. It's like a Japanese type pepper, I think, that people eat, snack on. A little kick and flavor.
This is a deluxe Mazemen. So the Mazemen would be flavored with the toppings and the sauce. So please mix it really well before you start. Only the mixing would really flavor up your noodle. And if you want to change up the flavor, you can use this umami vinegar, add the tanginess, or sesame seed to add the crunchiness and richness. And after you finish the noodle, you can toss this rice into the sauce, leftover sauce, mix it up. Nice. Make your own risotto for the second round.
Risotto.
Yes.
There's seaweed, there's garlic, sauce, there's already a poached egg and a boiled egg and green onions. All the sauces are in the bottom, so you mix it up really well. There's a chasu meat. You mix it up, and then at the end of it, you put the rice in the bottom with all the sauces.
That looks good.
It's delicious.
Which one's that one?
Deluxe Mazemen. You have the same one.
Alright, I'm gonna try this, the deluxe. Haven't had this before. So far, I see a poached egg. Ooh. A boiled stewed brown egg. This is like the Vietnamese one that we had for Chinese New Year, but I think it's a different one for whatever. See some garlic, fried garlic, seaweed, extra fatty chasu, and nice thick noodles.
So you can put
I'm putting some sesame seeds.
umami vinegar.
I love sesame seeds.
And chili oil.
Oh, this is cool. It's like a grinder for sesame seeds. I love me some sesame seeds. Chili oil for you spicy eaters. Nice. Umami vinegar. Just a dash.
Just a little bit. You can keep adding it throughout the time you eat it.
Alright, I'm gonna take my first bite though. Ready? These noodles are very thick.
Did you mix it all the way in the very bottom?
From what I noticed, these noodles are very thick. Let's get the texture. Nice, thick and hearty indeed. Just how I like it. This is chasu. Meat's very tender, fatty. Very good compliment. Let's bite into this hard-boiled egg right here.
Soft boiled.
It's actually soft-boiled, my mistake. It's delicious though. This whole meal is very hearty and savory. Yum.
Sesame.
Yeah.
A lot of umami.
That's a lot.
I know, I like it. I like the vinegar. Mix it. Here we go. Yeah.
My sister likes a lot of sauce. Did you get some of the poached egg?
The poached egg is mixed in.
People like
So
that.
you can't see it. It's mixed in.
People like that ASMR, so when you slip the ramen.
The poached egg is mixed in, which makes it very like creamy.
ASMR.
ASMR.
How's the chasu?
Delicious and tender.
How about the seaweed?
It's thinner than usual. Seaweed is add a good crunch.
Does it? Does
Seaweed.
Cleanse for your palate?
Oh.
When you get to the bottom of your bowl and there's all this sauce in the bottom of your bowl left, you add the little rice into the sauce.
Like a risotto?
And then you mix it up and you eat it.
Say risotto.
Like risotto, yeah.
Like a risotto.
Like a risotto.
So we're back here on the streets of LA. That was a pretty good meal. I thought it was solid. A good 8.5 out of 10. And yeah, if you guys want to see more food vlogs, subscribe, like this video, and comment where you want us to go next.